What up, friends and family? I'm Trudas Wheeler. Today are going to play Will You Press the Button? Alright, let's get to it. I'd say this is my third video today. Of course I want to play. You can shoot laser beams from your eyes, but you will go blind after the use. Nah. Will I still be able to use it after? But I wouldn't be able to know what I'm shooting at. So, nah. You are sick half as often. When you are 2 times as sick. I'm always sick, so this wouldn't affect me at all. Morgan Freeman reads you bedtime stories. Justin Bieber sings back up. Nope. No. You can bring the dead back to life. It requires you to sacrifice a live person in exchange. Hell yeah. So how do I press it? Thank you. I'm trying to press it, but it won't let me. There we go. What the heck happened to the game? I'll have to press home. And open it back up. Open it back up. Dang, is that a big of an issue? You become whatever you want to be. Your closest family and friends will hate you. What if I wanted to be an unhateable person? Would it affect me then? I'm sitting here trying to click the dang thing, but it's way down there. Well, I did put it down there. Let's play. I guess. You live for as long as you desire. Hell yeah, I want to do that. I'm clicking that thing a million times, but it's not going. Bro, that's dumb. I'm just gonna have to press no thanks. But tell you guys that I pressed yes. I mean to press yes. You become invisible, but you can't touch anything. So you're basically a ghost. Okay. I would do that. There's a 50-50 chance you become immortal. There's a 50-50 chance you die immediately. Hell yeah, I'm gonna do that. We're already gonna die, so I'm taking that chance that I'm gonna be immortal. You created the world's best movie. And it took 30 years off your life to create. I just asked to be immortal, so if I was immortal, it wouldn't matter. So I'm gonna do that. No one in the world can get cancer ever. all your family dies. It's gonna happen eventually. But, uh, but again, everyone's gonna die eventually. So, yep. No, forget it. They're all gonna get cancer. I don't care. No. Well, you get 100% in any class. You can't have any friends. Bruh, if I can't, I'm fine with not having no friends. Bruh, I'd be the smartest person on earth. It didn't say how, so I can say it gave me the brains to do it. So basically, I could be anything I wanted. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. You can have the car of your dreams. You can only drive 25 miles a day. I don't care about cars, so no. You live in the world of Harry Potter. You're a house elf? Nah. You could change your gender. You can never change it back. No. What? Why would I want to do that? You receive a Lamborghini. Fuel prices double for a year. Fuck that shit, I'm out. It's gonna be $10 for gas. Nope. You can take possession of anybody for 24 hours. Your life is shortened by 72 hours every time you do. Yeah, I'm immortal. You become the most powerful being in the world. You can't wear any clothes. Okay, I'm just naked all the time. I don't care, I'm doing it. The person you loved could be happy for the rest of your life. Not with you. Nope. You get everything you ever wanted. You only live for another 5 years. That's gonna be the happiest years of my life. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. All your expenses are paid forever. You have to live on the streets. In a tent. What if my house had streets in it? Like, it was like, the floor was tar and stuff. Would that count? Yeah, it would. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. You become rich as you want. You have to eat a dollar bill for every 1,000 you spend. You didn't say how. You didn't say when. So basically, I could just shred that stuff up and just put it in my food. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. You get to go to Hogwarts. You are thrown into Slytherin house. I don't care about Harry Potter. You can read anybody's mind. You have to say everything you think out loud. What if I'm thinking of thinking? Would that be a paradox? No, I'm not gonna do that. You live forever. You can never talk to someone again. Okay, I'll do that. That's basically being mute and being able to do whatever I want forever. When you press the button, you can never lose. You cannot fall in love. Love is a chemical reaction in the brain that gets animals to breed. So, and it slowly fades away, no matter what. So yeah, I do that. And plus, then you can't lose. So you can't lose to that button press. So basically, you'd be able to fall in love anyway, because you can't lose to it. You'd try to fall in love. It said you failed. But then you can't lose. You are able to sing and dance perfectly, and you become famous. You can never eat junk food again. Fuck that shit. Bro, why would I want to be... I don't want to be that in the future. I want to be a scientist in the future. You become the image of physical perfection. Everyone but you gains 200 pounds, so everybody around me becomes abuse. Not abuse, I meant, what's it called? Obese. Hey, it would be a great thing to be, friends to anorexics. But nah, none of my friends are anorexics, so no. You get to go back to any moment of the time from your past. You can't return to the present. I'd return to my birth. Bro, I'd be the same age, but I want to go back to 2003. Yeah, I'd do that. You sound like Morgan Freeman. People won't stop you to say certain things. Okay, I'd do that. I've had Morgan Freeman. I would have had him tell me bedtime stories, but I don't want Justin Bieber to be back up. You marry whoever you want. You have 10 kids. Marriage is just a funeral with cake. You throw away your entire life for someone. And plus 10 kids? Hell no. You could breathe underwater. You have gills on your throat. How else do you breathe underwater? I do it. One more. A universal language replaces all language of the world. The language is Chinese. Nope. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. See ya.